Hey guys, Mitchell here. Just finished up a new video. It's a little different. It's not the normal gun stuff that I'm used to doing. We'll have a update video on Rangemaster Instructor course, how that went. New range coming in. Well, we're building it in 2 weeks. That'll be good. Like and comment below if you like this video type of ones. But it's gonna be more of a DIY and general knowledge stuff. It'll be good. All right. Thank you very much. Alright, just going to do a quick video on how to change your tire. This one's a spare, already have a flat one. This is a new one. I'm going to switch it out. First thing I'm going to do is set the parking brake and then break these lug nuts off. Parking brake is set, so we just need to break these off. So when you tighten it, you're supposed to do a certain pattern. I don't do that taking them off at all. One thing that I will say is that when you do this, push down on it rather than pulling your back and everything like that. Seems to work out a little bit easier. So you got all of them loose enough to where you can undo them with your hand, somewhat. Next one, put the jack up. It's always a good thing to pick a spot where there's a freshly broken glass bottle that you can lay in. Always great. So now since that's tight and you shake off all the glass that's on you, when you do that, just to set it up first, do it to where it's hand tight and you got your spot around there to where it won't slip off. And you just take this and then you tighten her up, and then it'll raise up this entire end pretty much. Some jacks come with a pretty cool wrench tool thing. This one specifically is from a 1998, I think, 1998 Chevy Suburban. So it's going to be a 10-ton jack, which obviously is plenty for this 2007 Chevy Malibu. So since this is a spare, and I know the spare is smaller than my regular tire, I'm going to have to lift it all the way up in order to make room for that other tire. Alright, right about there should be good. Take that out. Right there. Take your 4-way. I'm just going to spin them off the rest of the way. make sure to set these in a place where you're not going to forget them or lose them. Pretty simple little thing right there. Alright, so take out the spare, get it out of the way, and take your tire, this guy. Well, there's a really easy way of doing this if you have like really big tires. You just sit underneath it and you're going to put the tires on your heel. Right here, and you're just going to move your heels underneath it and I'll lift it up just enough. Notice I need to go higher on the jack. So you get the tire close, and you go underneath with your feet, lift up, and then you line up your holes, like so, with your feet still underneath of it. Take your lug nuts, put them on, just get the thread started on these, because there is a specific way you're supposed to put them on, in a specific order. And you just want to get them snug up against it to where they're not, your rim's not flapping around between all your lugs and your brake over here. So this is a Chevy, so it's going to be a 5-lug Chevy. It's pretty simple and pretty snug. Alright, so when you tighten them up, you're going to go 1, then directly below, 2, and 3, then 4, and then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of making that star pattern. So first one. Second one. Third over here. Left. Fourth one will be down here. Bottom right. And fifth and final is over here, far left. Alright. Take your 1-foot tool here, spin it around. And you're going to lower your jack stand. If it gets too low, just do it by hand, lower it all the way. pull that out. Now you're going to retorque your bolts, same pattern, making sure that they're super tight. All you're doing is locking your arm and putting your body weight on this end. Here, this guy. And the last motor. Alright, that's it.